Hey guys, welcome back to Renait Reborn. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, please subscribe and click the like button and share this video. So I'm back again with another behind the scenes photo shoot, showing you guys exactly what I do on a normal photo shoot. So I am using my Sony a6000 with my Sigma 30mm 1.4. With this lens, I quite like taking full body images with the Sigma 30mm, as the distortion on this lens is quite minimal. The Sony a6000 is an APS-C mirrored camera with a crop factor of 1.5. This makes the 30mm act as a 45mm instead. I want to give a massive shout out to Renait for modeling for me, allowing me to explore various poses. This video was actually shot on my Pixel 2 XL by my younger brother. His Instagram is linked down below. There's an unspoken rule about cutting limbs in photography. Personally, I'm for cutting limbs for a closer and more personal image. As it stands, I do not have a large range of headshots in my portfolio, so exploring headshot photography is a great way to improve your attention to detail. Most of my headshot photography is manually focused, specifically on the eye. Generally, the eye is the window to a person's soul. This allows you to engage with your audience and build a personal connection to your subject. As you can see, I gave Renait a lot of direction during this shoot, reassuring her poses and giving her positive feedback. I often use phrases like, "That looks good," or "I love this," or sometimes I say, "Yes, that's the pose I wanted." I always use comments like this to keep my models engaged, keep them motivated to explore different poses. A confident model will always perform better. Let me know if you would like to see a part 2 of this shoot. If you have made it this far into the video, thank you very much for watching. There are links in the description box down below with all of my social media links. You can also head over to my portfolio and check out Renait over there. You can also leave a comment down below letting me know your favorite moment in this video, and you can also tell me what I should cover in my next video. I'm nearly at 100 subscribers, so again, thank you for everyone that has supported this channel so far. Stay safe, stay blessed. Peace. I be struggling, trying to make it out this world. I be juggling, trying to find my own soul.